Hello, buddy. Guess who has grown and hits a growth spurt? Correctamundo. Also, check out this camcorder that I got. This is my first one ever. Yep, this one is new. Well, not technically brand new, but new to me. I have used this to film my projects, including the remake of The Curse of the Were-Dragon. Yup. And look, I can use this to zoom in on my actors. Oh darn. It says that I'm at low battery. Yeah, I'll show you the other features for another time. I gotta go home and charge this. Tell Fred I said hi.